The performance of dust ball press affects the stable operation of the ball press. So how to detect the performance of dust ball press? A sensory inspection method. A method of identifying the technical status of the ball press only by the intuitive feeling of the inspector, and the inspectors are required to have rich experience. 2. Tool inspection method. The inspection work is carried out with instruments and tools. Due to the different principles and types of instruments and tools, it can be divided into general measuring tools, special measuring tools, ball press instruments and meters, optical instruments, electronic instruments, and so on. 3. Physical inspection method. This is a method of using electrical, magnetic, light, sound, heat, and other physical quantities to detect the technical status of dust ball press through the changes caused by the workpiece.